The Active Lane Departure Warning-system corrects the trajectory of your Peugeot as soon as it detects a risk of crossing lines on the roads involuntarily. It is particularly useful on motorways and main roads. The system is automatically activated each time you switch on the ignition. You can deactivate it using the driving aids menu, then functions, on the touchscreen, or using the driving aids shortcut menu. To add or delete a function from your shortcuts, press on this icon. The system is active when you drive between 40 and 112 miles per hour. As soon as your Peugeot draws close to a lane marking, the system makes a correction to the trajectory in order to return the vehicle to its initial path. You may feel the steering wheel turning. This icon flashes during trajectory correction. If the right or left indicators are activated, the system considers that you are intentionally changing lane and will not apply a correction.